evening. This is Deb with a quick fix for the toilet. If your plastic chain, so to speak, from the flapper to the handle breaks in an emergency and you don't have a way to get to the hardware store. Okay, so what you need to do is get yourself a whole bunch of paper clips, clip them together, make a lovely paper clip chain. You then get to hook one end to the flapper and the other end to the handle, and voila, the toilet is fixed. So here's your quick and easy how to fix a toilet in one easy step with what you have on hand video. Thanks for joining.